We're going to spend the next hour or so talking about how to get great engaging steps at the beginning of your healing pattern. That very first step can often make or break your whole healing pattern. So today you'll learn different games that will help keep your dog's attention from step number 1. If I have a dog that's lagging, I will tend to use get it, which means toss the treat forward, or I will do high hand touches. And those hand touches might be up high in heel position, or they might be slightly forward ahead of heel position, depending on my dog and what I'm working on and how much more forward I need from my dog.
Ready? Heel, touch, yes. Heel, touch, yes. Heel, touch, yes.
We're going to talk about fun ways to get moving. So we want to increase motivation as much as we can by healing out of movement. So there's a couple of ways that I do this. One of the ways is I back up and then I turn around and start healing forward. And then the other way is I back up and then I just turn away from the dog and start moving forward. So in one way, the dog changes directions, and in the other way, the dog continues going the same direction. And I'm the one that just flips around and starts moving forward. So here is an example.
Ready? Go backwards. Let's go.
So I'm backing up and then I'm just turning away from him. So he's not changing direction. But he's going from backing up to heel position.